You're gonna love this super speedy butter chicken biryani with just a handful of ingredients. My rice is par cooked and we're just gonna leave this aside. Just check out the long grains. Moving on to our butter chicken, I've got melted butter here. You can also use ghee. You can also use a mixture of like oil, butter as well. Add in some cumin seeds, add in our chicken. What makes this butter chicken biryani so easy is that we're going to add in all the ingredients all together at the same time. So I've just added the butter chicken spice. We're also going to add in some dried fenugreek. Also, we're going to add in our ginger and garlic paste. And then we're also going to add in some chili powder to add some extra kick. And we're also going to add in yogurt. Either you can add in chopped tomatoes or I've got some tomato passata here. Just give that a good mix. We're going to add in the cream, fried onions, the butter chicken is done. We're now going to sprinkle over the rice. Some garnishing, so I've just got some lemon slices here, red pepper, and we're just going to sprinkle that over. Roasted cashews, coriander as well. Close the lid and with the help of the steam, the rice will be nice and fluffy.